Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective here on the SPY. In the next video, I'm going to be going over the Qs if you guys want to see where the Qs may be headed next. But again, as we sit on our Morningstar and our continuation from our Morningstar setup here, we did have our continuation now sitting on a doji candle as we are testing, again, our upper channel, looking for that proof of concept. Where exactly may we be headed next? Will our 20-day cross back above our 50 for that shift in bearish to bullish momentum? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Very much give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, again, we mention them every single day in the Instables room, 2.5 hours before market open, any pre-market news. Again, if you guys are prepping before the day, before the market opens, this is where you need to be looking for pre-market news that we need to be watching. Go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, again, jumping right into our intraday momentum. As you guys can see, again, closing and opening a candle within our prior body's day candle after getting a morning star, again, that we mentioned over the weekend, a nice continuation. However, we do have our prior gap down that we have possible room to run to the upside from. Again, we have our prior high here at 402, looking to see if we can continue on past it on a possible engulfing candle. That would be that possible bullish case scenario. But one thing that we are definitely sure of is even if we do continue on higher with not too much room to run to the upside, is that we will definitely need our 20-day to cross and continue on above our 50 here. And what we are going to be looking for is that retest and then that bullish candle setup, possibly getting a retest and getting an engulfing candle to follow through on that for that possible bullish case scenario. Again, that will be exactly what we're looking for as far as that continuation on higher. Looking at our MACD here, looking at our strength, as you guys can see, we have our EMA lines that are crossing above the median or MACD, showing us a lot of strength. We do not have our increase in buy pressure here yet. We do have buy pressure, but again, we do still have that possible bearish case scenario leading into initial jobless claims and GDP on Thursday. Making sure that we do not get follow-throughs on white shaded lines here is exactly what we're making sure that we do not get a rejection for. So again, looking for that confirmation here on that increase in buy pressure for swings is what I'll be looking for. But again, intraday, we do have that increase in strength. We have very little room to run to the upside. I would be looking for a retest to make sure that we are going to confirm with more strength and not get a possible false breakout. Again, prior, we did have a false breakout when Powell spoke, mentioned that unemployment wasn't exactly as high as we did need. We also did close a prior candle within our prior day's body candle here, similar to what we have here. So again, we are closing within. We could have a slight pullback for that possible retest on our 20-day. So again, in my opinion, we're cautious, looking for our next candle setup here to continue on higher intraday. And again, swings, looking for that bullish candle setup, simply looking for an engulfing candle with initial jobless claims and GDP coming out again on this Thursday. But again, that's that bullish case scenario. If we are going to have a bearish case scenario, we will clearly close a candle below our channel here. So again, just keeping that in mind. Again, we had prior rejections, making sure that we do get that proof of concept here so that way we do not get false breakouts is exactly what we're making sure that we are focused on. Now jumping into the weekly chart again, now we are above the up and over channel here again on the daily chart, here also on the weekly chart. We did not close this candle yet, so we are still looking at exactly how this candle will close. Will we possibly get a possible inverted hammer on a rejection here? Is this a slight move? Again, because we have not closed this week's candle. We are above here. We are looking at that possible bullish case scenario now. And we do have our 20-day that is starting to curl over here. So again, on our 20 weekly moving average, if we continue on above our 50 weekly moving average here, then we will possibly continue on with that bullish case scenario. And again, just closing above our channel here again on this week will be very key. Looking for exactly how we close this week is going to show us a lot about how next week's momentum may come out as. Now looking at our long perspective here, as you guys can see, again, we are still sitting below our channel here on our monthly chart, looking to see if we can possibly close again on the month. We are sitting within 3 weeks of this month, looking to see if we can close in the next week above the up and over channel for that possible continuation. But in my opinion, just looking to see if we can at least close within our prior body's candle to show us that we could possibly have that bullish case scenario and possibly continue on higher. Again, keep in mind, we are testing our 50 monthly moving average here following our prior 2 months creating an engulfing candle to the downside after a rejection. So again, that's why we are cautious, looking to see exactly how we do close. If we will possibly close above the upper end of our channel to show that we are respecting our 50 monthly moving average for longs is what we're looking for. And the largest indicator that we have been keeping an eye on as far as that continuation is going to be our 12 crossing above our 26 on our MACD. As you guys can see, again, we are just simply looking for our 12 to cross above our 26 as far as longs go, as far as that confidence. But again, in my opinion, again, short term, as far as our intraday perspective move, going into tomorrow, again, in my opinion, we're above the up end of our channel. We need to assume that playing to the downside is definitely still very cautious. And in my opinion, playing to the upside also is as well very much looking for a retest. So in my opinion, we have very little room to run to the upside, but we also are expecting a retest with our 20-day still that needs to cross above our 50 to show that we are going to be respecting it to the upside with that bullish case scenario with that possible engulfing candle. So again, keeping that in mind, that's what we're looking for here. Again, check out the video after this on the Qs. Again, on the Qs, we actually have a descending wedge that we have been going over, and we are just breaking above our descending wedge as well. Very similar scenario here. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any pre-market news that you need to be watching before market open every single day. If you guys are market prepping, if you're looking for these major breakouts, again, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, and you will never miss a breakout like today again. And all of you instables, again, I appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to go at it. Take with the market. Give us nice breakouts today. Nice breakouts also in pre-market today. Extremely nice breakouts pre-market in and out the gate with a few nice runners. Again, continue to take with the market because staying blessed and making sure that we do stay green is going to be exactly what we continue to focus on. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.